All right, so now that we have learned how to pitch to brands, how to create our own portfolio, where are the brands that we should be reaching out to, and where we should sign up so that if there's any opportunity they can reach out to us and all that. Okay, the next thing we should also learn is how to negotiate. And again, in that PDF I also added how to negotiate, how I negotiate back and forth, the right words you should use and all that, because as a YouTuber I've been working with brands a lot even before I come up on TikTok. Usually this training I used to charge a lot more, but because I love you all, that's why I decided to do all this. The next thing is your rate. Okay, how much you should be charging. Like me right now, here is my rate, and of course I'm going to drop a link. Okay, I'm dropping a link where you are going to just go. You can use the same template. All you need to do after that is when you click on that link, I'll open it. Anybody that have signed up to Canva can access that, so you can go and then change one or two things, change the picture and all that, so that you'll be able to also use it to create your own rate, so that when they ask you how much, okay, you now tell them, okay, here's your rate. But don't always give your rate first, because before now I used to give my rate and I cannot charge much, so except for the brands that ask you what is your rate. Okay, mostly I don't give the rate sheet, I always ask higher. Okay, except for some brands that will come to negotiate and ask you for a lower fee, okay, and all that. So that is what you need to do. But aside from that, the next thing we are going to also learn, because I know that there are some people here that they are not good with editing, so I'm going to also teach you how to edit. Okay, I'll just do a short video editing with my phone, so that when brand reach out to you, or when you are creating a UGC content or even a normal brand deal, or joining a challenge, you'll be able to edit your video properly. So thank you so much for trusting me. Hope to see you in the editing video.